Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 9 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great week, folks. Let's take a look at one of our 4 agreements. Don't make assumptions. Let your life be transformed. When you stop making assumptions, your word becomes impeccable, and your life is completely transformed. Magic just happens in your life. What you need comes too easily because the Spirit moves freely through you. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow up 21, NASDAQ flat, S&P's up $1.50, gold contract down $1.70, trading at $1,282 an ounce. Silver up 5 pennies at $21.37 an ounce. Platinum down 13 at $1,432 an ounce. Light sweet crude up 48 cents, trading out at 95.08. Bonds are closed out here today. King dollar, folks, down 247 ticks at 81.14. The euro up 47 at 134, and the yen up 15 at 99.20. First, we want to say to all the veterans out there, thank you. We appreciate everything that all you men, women have done, and keep sending white light out to all our folks out there, folks, because the bottom line, it's not easy. That's the bottom line, and then, you know, hopefully things will get easier, but at this particular point, it's still not easy out there. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. What do we have? S&P. So, you get Veterans Day. We have the market. Market should be closed. That's the real bottom line. It might as well be closed because what you certainly have is that you have no juice. You know, we did 500 million out there versus 849. So let's talk a little bit about Friday also. So what do we have on Friday? Okay, so S&Ps. This is what the S&Ps cashed in. We've been up at these levels now for approximately 9 trading days. The high in the cash S&P is 1775.22. That was established on October 30th. We get to 1774 last Thursday. Market goes south to 1746. Comes right back up the following day. Gets into this level. Now, this whole is pretty cool because the symbol here, this is basically a Joe DiNapoli railroad tracks. That's what this is. And on a railroad track, folks, what you do is you sell the first retracement at a 0.618. Now, this is a 100% move. There's no doubt about that. I suspect what we're going to see is that it's going to try to get into the 1775. I figure tomorrow you're going to see it fail again. Dow Industrials, what we have with the Dow is this. What you have with the Dow is at highs, big time too. She hit that 797 area. We hit 791 today. She'll whack that thing again tomorrow, but she's not going anywhere. We'll see how she comes down off it. Now, the NASDAQ Composite and the Russell are the 2 indices that have been the laggard. And, of course, what you had is that the NASDAQ was the strongest indice for a huge amount of time. We're talking over a year. Bottom line, NASDAQ, the high that was established in the NASDAQ is 3966. I don't see that getting into that high. You know, we can definitely get to the high of last Thursday, which would be the 3938. That's only 20 bucks away. We went to 3925 today. It just doesn't seem to have it because inside the NDX, it seems that each and every day that when you have someone that's strong, guess what? There's another one that's dramatically weaker. The Qs, the NDX 100, that had come down with 52 million shares. Then we went back up Friday with 31 million. Just not there. Russell 2000. We take a look at the Russell 2000. Same setup in the Russell 2000. The Russell 2000 is off the highs more than any of the indices out there. The high in the Russell was 1123. We're at 1101. The correlation on the way down was pretty intense. You get down to that 1079, came all the way back up. The difference is that the Russell is coming into the 30th on the way down, and the juice is just not there. Gold contract, what we have with gold is this. The The gold contract, I suspect we're still going to make our way back to this. It's not far from where we are right now. It's the 1273 area where we got the 1278 today. This thing wants to get into that area. The equities themselves are acting dynamite. The King Dollar. What do we have a King Dollar? So King Dollar is building strength. She had broken the full downtrend that King Dollar had been in since the July 8th level. It's in an ABC structure on the way up, confirmed one. Last Thursday, it took out the B point, took it out with volume. That confirmed ABC A to B equals C to D is 82.50. Your swing point up there is about 83.15. I suspect she'll hit the 83.15, build some more cars, and then get on up to this 85.22 area. Let's go to Glenn in San Francisco. Hey, Glenn, what's going on?
Hey, Tom, how are you?
Doing great. You having a good day out there?
I'm having a great day. Enjoying my Veterans Day off.
That's a beautiful thing, man. Cool. Totally.
Hey, so I wanted to ask you about three-gap play. I'm looking at rig, and I see it's got the three gaps going up. The first gap is filled, and I don't know if that negates the three-gap play. I wanted to get your opinion on that.
Okay, so let's take a look at it. You get Transocean, folks, okay? The low for the year is 43. The high is 59. They pay a 4% dividend. Now, you get a couple different patterns here, which is pretty cool. So what you have here first, we have an ABC on the way up. Your A point here is 44. Let's see, 44.65 to 49. So you get $5, which would give you a 51. And no, 40. Yeah, 51. So it blows away 51, gets all the way to 56, 55, 57, 55.74 today. Okay, so let me pull this back a bit. So are you looking to buy this thing on a retracement?
Well, no, I was looking to possibly short it. I mean, it's got a lot of strength to it. I saw the three gaps in there, and I wondered if that was a three-gap play there. It looked like it was about to make a Gartley down around 43, but it never hit that. That's where my buy point would have been.
Okay.
But that would have been a 786 retracement of from around April or May.
What I would do is this. Okay, so I wouldn't short it yet. That's for sure. Okay.
Okay.
And this is why. The largest swing point out here, it almost got into today, but more than likely it's going to hit it, which is the 55.79.
Right.
You know, it hit the 50. And when you get that close to a swing, it's like it's going to hit it. And, you know, you just might get one more gap, which would be really beautiful. And then if it ever gapped to 59, then you can shot the heck out of it.
Right.
What does happen is this, though, Glenn, to go back to the three-gap play again. This is let's put it this way. It could be a three-gap play. And this is where, when I'm saying could, folks, what happens is this. Normally, on the three gap is that your last gap is twice the length of the other two gaps, and that's not the case here, okay?
Okay.
What does happen is this, is that let's say that you get the acceleration up first to the swing point from May 12th, 17th, right?
Uh-huh.
If it's on dramatically lighter volume like it is today, then, yeah, you can short it. Because this should come back down to that 49.16. You know, and if you're looking to buy it, this really is a buy, just as you were setting it up, because of the fact that what you did have is that the strength was out there. For the bulls, that's the last thing the bulls wanted to see today, is that this was up in a day that no one was in the storage. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
You know, so what you do have here, which is unusual, folks, is that you have a situation that you actually can trade both sides of this whole deal. And, of course, the news on this was Icon got 2 seats. They're going to basically, you know, push out a dividend. I mean, you know, so the news is already into the stock, which is dynamite, man.
Great. Well, I appreciate your input, Tom.
Okay, man. Have a great one. Have a safe one. 877-927-6648. Let's go take a look at the XAU, folks. So the XAU, the HUI, they're setting up really nice. You know, if you want to see how equities come right back to breakouts, days of strength, guess what? 89.51, that was on the XAU. We got down to 89.56 on Friday, and this thing looks like it just might go topside once again. Now, you stay right there, folks. You know that we've had a wicked typhoon in the Philippines. Well, John Logan, that's where, he's headquartered in the Philippines. He's going to give us a right from the Philippines. He was 50 miles outside of it, and we're going to be talking about what's going on over there. Stay right there. We'll come right back.